Hi there. In the video that I did here about switching the image on mobile, you may have noticed that when we narrowed the browser to the point where it would switch over to the mobile view, the logo was getting cut off because it's not set to be responsive yet. There's a quick way to do that that involves using just one image. That's the image that you see there now. So let's go ahead and set that up so that it resizes at the narrow screen size. Okay, so into the back end, and we go to Dynamic Design. And let's just go and look at the image that we're using. And this is the one here. You'll see it's 430 wide by 100 pixels high. Now on the iPhone 5S that I'm using for test, the maximum width is 320 pixels wide, so that's why this one is getting cut off. So you need to do some quick math first and dig out your slide rule and do the conversion. So if it's 430 by 100, what would the height need to be at 300 pixels wide? Well, your slide rule tells you it's going to be about 69.7 something, so let's use 70. So we need a logo to be 300 by 70 at that media query breakpoint. So let's go over here to responsive, and this is the 6th trigger point. And that's where we need our code to go, because that's where it has to change. So I'll just copy this here onto the clipboard and on here. So I put a 25 pixel top margin, and this is going to help center it in the header area. I didn't bother to try to readjust the header. I'm just going to center the logo. So the background size is going to be the size of the image that you want to be. So 300 by 70. Now the width and height, the width can be the same, but the height I added an extra 5 pixels on there to give some spacing at the bottom. So let's go ahead and save that. And we're going to go look at it on the front, and we refresh that. Now start narrowing it down. There's a one trigger point, another, and there it goes. And you can see that it stays nice and centered, and it resized. And as we go back, there it is. There's the 5th trigger point, and on and on. But you also notice that the menu is not responsive at this time, but that's fine because that's coming up in the next video. Alright, well, go ahead and try that one, see how it works. Also, one more thing, should mention, while we're here, we used just this trigger point, the 5th, because the logo that I have is only 430 wide. However, if you have a larger logo, you may need to add it here and adjust the values accordingly. Do the math on the size that you need that'll fit, and enter it there. And on even a bigger logo, you might need to put it here as well. But for now, that's it. So see you later.